ChatGPT, it's me again. As you know, I'm trying to build my dream life, but I also want to be a more present wife and mom. How can I balance both this summer? Because while I'm all about building my income, hitting my goals, and doing this self-edit, I don't want to lose touch of the people and moments that will actually make that a life worth living. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. What is up, y'all? Welcome to week 4 of my self-edit, a journey where I am trying to radically improve my life just one change at a time. Now, my past videos have all been about like making money, creating digital products, but I also want to work on me. Onye, right? I want to do some inner work to make sure that when I get more money, when I get my dream house, I like the person that I am. Because truth be told, what's the point of having a dream life if the people I love most don't feel me in it or don't get the best version of me? Then there's no point, right? So that's why I really love, excuse me, Jesus. So that's why I really love the suggestion from ChatGPT to create this DIY summer list filled with things that I want to do with my family this summer. Because usually, like, I be in my own world. I be in a bubble, okay? Just hustling, trying to make things shake. But I got a whole family. You know, I got a husband and a child that I don't know. They probably want to see me regularly, right? So creating this list is just kind of like a physical representation of me doing the inner work, me trying to consistently show up as a loving wife and a loving mom, even as I work on these goals and make my way towards this dream home. So I'm not really a DIY creative person in this kind of regard, right? When it comes to making, you know, a bucket list. So I went to TikTok and I found this example right here and I said, yes, I want to do that, but I don't want to copy, right? And so what I did is I went back to chat and I said, hey chat, it's me again and again and again. And I asked it to help me come up with a way of executing this DIY bucket list in a way that feels more like me. And this is what it came up with. I friggin' love it, especially the addition of the Polaroid pictures, because by the end of the summer, I will literally have like a photo album of our memories in the summer. We can make it a yearly tradition. All right, first things first, I need to run over to IKEA and Michael's to get some supplies because I'm thinking I want to build it out into like a picture frame. Yeah, and then I might do some paint. Let's go. Let's just get some supplies and we're gonna figure this out together. All right, guys, here I am with all of the supplies that we're gonna need for this DIY bucket list. Something in my gut tells me this is going to be a disaster, but you know what? That's okay. I decided to go with a wood frame because it just goes with all the things in my office space here. This thing was like $30. When did IKEA get so expensive? Open this up. Put this one in instead. It's just a plain white paper. I have moved things down to the floor because I don't want to get paint on my desk. And don't mind that camera right there. I'm recording a TikTok as well. Life of a creator. Anyway, time to paint. In retrospect, I wish I had left well enough alone because look at this. Can you guys see how patchy that is? I'm kind of hoping that when it dries, it'll look better, but I don't have a lot of hope. I'm gonna leave it here to dry for a little bit and then we'll get back to doing the rest. Somebody out there remind me to never do another DIY project in my life, okay? But we are done painting. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Can you even see the color? And it actually dried decently. So what I'm gonna do now is put some lettering up here that says summer bucket list. Boom, summer fun list. just like that, we are done with our summer bucket list, aka fun list. I am actually shocked by how well this turned out. Shocked, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, that took a lot out of me. Like, the wig got a little twisted there, y'all. Like, that's probably a once a year type project right there. Okay, the most important part now that that is done is picking out a Polaroid camera option. I have 3 Polaroid cameras here. We have the Kodak Step Touch. I have the classic Fuji film, and then this one, Loma Instant. I don't even know where that came from, but we got it. I just don't have film for any of these, and well, actually, I think I have film for this one. This might be it. I'm gonna open this up and see. But we're going swimming tomorrow. My son is taking his first swimming class, and I figured that'd be a great one to kind of knock out and get that photo up on the board. I really want to use this Kodak camera just because it's so small and portable. But if I can't find film for it by tomorrow, it's no ma'am situation. Let me see. Amazon sometimes has like overnight delivery. Kodak, One Step. Okay, here it is. They don't have an overnight option. I don't know. I don't know what film this thing takes. This is actually very frustrating. I may have to take this one tomorrow and figure it out with this. But then this one takes some really weird batteries. Have y'all seen these before? Why are they so little? What's going on? I'm gonna figure it out. For now, we're about to go to Lowe's because we have a bathroom that we started last year. Last year that we have not completed. Let me show you the current status of it.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we did the painting in here. We put this mirror up, put the light up, but there's still so much to do. Oh, we did the molding as well. Like, there's just a bunch of like imperfections that I need to come in here and fix up. We have a linen closet back here that my husband is working on. We just need to find some shelves for it, okay? And we need to put a new toilet roll holder right there. I bought some artwork to go there. Hey y'all. It's just a work in progress. So right now we're gonna go to Lowe's and get all the things we need. We need some more paint, something to do to fix this in here. And then also we need a saw to saw this. So that's what we're about to do right now. Let's go. If only he ate food the way he drinks water. I just got lectured about buying my son a toy car. Show them your car. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
It goes right out the tire. Get that.
Priceless. Good morning, guys. I am up early to try to make some progress in this bathroom because it's been a year, okay? So today I am going to be working on trying to cover up these imperfections over here. Then also, if I have the strength, just repainting everything. Here's a look at the spackle. Yeah, spackle that I'm going to use to cover up those areas.
We could be selfish. Spend this on a nice on the rooftop.
So here's a look at my handiwork. I have patched up these areas. Now I just have to wait for them to dry. Look at this one over here. It's already starting to change to the color white. I'm gonna wash these off. And then I'm not even gonna lie, that's it. That's it for today with this bathroom, okay? You guys can kind of see why this bathroom has taken us a whole year to finish. I do my little bit every other day or so and I dip out. You know, this DIY renovation life I'm learning was just not for me. Not me, okay? Anyway, I am ready to close out this week in this self-edit diary by doing some more inner work in the form of self-reflection. So I'm just gonna hit up ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, what's a good prompt that I can use to close out my work with a little bit more inner work to help me start the next week strong? All right, y'all, that is the end of week 4. As a recap, this week I created a summer bucket list or a summer fun list to ensure that I am spending time with my family so that as I chase my goals, there's not this growing disconnect between us. So that was a lot of fun. But that's it, y'all. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next week.